Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Chapter is web development, and we are still discussing about the web page design. So far in our previous video, we were discussing some kind of an activity. Also, example of a written web page with various codes. So I hope that was clear. So today, let's see some HTML codes explained. So here we'll be seeing some of HTML codes and their explanations. So let's dive into it. The first one is the BR, that is simply for the break line. So this is the first HTML code which you will be seeing in this video. With this basic HTML tag, you simply will let the browser know, or you simply let the browser know where we want some break lines or breaks in the text. So simply this BR HTML tag is used just for creating some breaks in the text or just to create some blank lines within your text. Hope that's clear. So as a matter of fact, using a few breaks just makes text breathe. This means that it is easier to read and understand. So when the text when you have written some kind of a text in your HTML, so it's just a matter of giving it a breathtaking part. So this bare tag, HTML tag is just there just to enable the text to have plenty of space. So the person reading should have it easier to understand and read it also. Let's see the other code, that is open tag div and close tag div. So this div is just like a dividing. It's a dividing HTML tag. So an element which is most used to group elements and to act as a template for new controls. So this is the other HTML tag that acts as an element which is used just to group elements and act as a template just for the new controls that can be indicated within your HTML document. The div or div HTML tag is an element you use to divide a significant part of your HTML document from the other part. So you can simply use this HTML tag, that is the div, shortly as can be seen as for the dividing. Is simply a significant part of the HTML document from the other parts, just to make it easily occupied or easily be able to be viewed through your browser. For example, let's say you have a list of products. Take an example on your web page. We use this div HTML tag or div HTML tag for each product, just to separate or just to divide the significant parts of these products throughout your HTML document. The other HTML code explained in this session that is open tag li and close tag li. Simply this is there as for the listing item. So it's there as a listing tag. So this tag, the one that is used together as unordered, that is abbreviated or used with this tag open tag or r or l, or unordered, that is ul. So this li close open is just a simple HTML tag that is used to create some ordered or unordered list together with these tags which we have here, the o arrow and the u arrow. Of that's clear. Now, not to mention, you can have as many as you like. Talking about having this order list of various items, or just a list of various items. Now, let's see these tags that can be used together with the LI. Here talking about open or arrow, also close or arrow. So these are just the others kind of tags that are used together with the LI as an ordered list. Also, it includes the LI, that is the listing tag. So it is there. Also, it includes this tag just to list items. And with this order list, simply the numbered items will be like numbered in series automatically. As a consequence, this is a very useful tag if you add more list items, because the numbers will always be in the right order. So in this kind of listing, HTML tag is there that it can enable you to list the items in a very correct and the right order. Let's see the URL open and close. So this is the other HTML tag. In this is an unordered list. It just means that it will have bullets for each items in the list. So this when you're trying to insert the bullets in your HTML document, you can simply use the URL tag open and close just to have the unordered list with using these bullets. List items will have the bullets for each item. So that's what it does, this kind of HTML tag. The other HTML code or HTML tag explained is open and close strong. So this is the other one that you see in this session. The text is emphasized strongly, usually appears in bold most of the time. It looks like bold too. So this is the other tag. It simply looks as bold. We've seen when we were trying to use the bold HTML tag in the first video within the activity. So this strong is there just to create some kind of emphasis to your document, or simply to your text specifically. So it bows that kind of a text just to emphasize it strongly within your text. But it also has an additional meaning that this text should be emphasized. So this is the use of the strong HTML tag. The other one, that is open and close span. So this is the other HTML tag. The span tag groups the text for which we want to have different stylings. So this is kind of the use of this span HTML tag. A good example would be if we want to have a red word or any kind of a color inside a sentence, you can simply use this span together with some kind of uh, a specific kind of specialization of styling just to the given text. So that will be applied throughout to your HTML text or document. So that's all I have for this session. I hope that's all clear. We've seen some HTML codes. We've seen it briefly explained. We've seen them explained briefly. So in our next video, we'll try to see activity on how you can simply use all these HTML codes or these HTML tags. Hope that's clear, and thank you.